Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate DocuSign with Sharepoint. This setup is perfect for streamlining your document workflow and boosting efficiency in your organization. First, open your browser and go to docusign.com. Once on the homepage, click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, sign up before moving forward. After logging in, click on the DocuSign logo to return to your main dashboard. Next, head over to the admin section. This is where all the settings and integrations are managed. In the admin dashboard, look for the Connect option and click on it. This is where you'll add new integrations. Then select Add Configuration. Among the available options, choose OneDrive. This is essential because SharePoint's functionality is part of Microsoft's ecosystem and closely tied to OneDrive. Finally, navigate to Go to Agreement Actions. Here, you can define how DocuSign interacts with SharePoint by setting rules and actions for document handling and sharing. And that's it. You've successfully integrated DocuSign with SharePoint, streamlining your document management and enhancing your organization's productivity.